Welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can speed up or make video faster in Hitifilm Express 12. There are two options how you can do that. First option is just click the button here, rate stretch tool, and grab it like that. And now look how fast it will go. See? Let's make it longer. And now you can also slow it down. And you can see it yourself that it's going much slower. So let's go back. Let's click selection tool. Another way is right click, speed duration. And you can increase speed like 130. And automatically the video is shorter because of it. And this is it. That's kind of it. How we can make video shorter and faster in Hitifilm Express 12. Thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.